Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the RGB lighting isn't working on your Logitech G512 keyboard. So the only solution to this issue, I think maybe not the only one, but a series of simple solutions are the following. Unplug your keyboard, then plug the cable back into it. If your keyboard is active, then you shouldn't bother with cable anymore, but if it's not active, you can try using a different USB-A port on your computer, and after that also roll this first knob clockwise and check whether it will enable your RGB lights, and if not, check your G Hub software on your computer, check your keyboard menu, then open LightSync settings and check your current preset. And if your current preset has the active RGB lighting and you don't see it on your keyboard, and if it doesn't get changed even if you change the effect in this menu, then at this point you should definitely reach out to Logitech G Hub Logitech customer support service and get your device repaired in Logitech certified service center. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.